What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stopping in, thanks for joining. In today's video, we are on our way over to the Harley Davidson dealership, one of the two that is local to me. I've got a hot date this weekend and I figured I might as well spend a little bit of money on some passenger comfort. So I'll check in with you guys either during or after the visit and let you know what I went with and then where we go from there. Alright, you guys, we are just now leaving the Silverdale Harley Davidson dealership. It was really cool. Swung in there, talked to those guys. They were extremely helpful getting me my parts. Unfortunately, the sissy bar and passenger seat back will not be here until next week, but we did pick up the docking hardware and a little something extra. Was not planning on it, but I've been eyeing it. They had it on the shelf there and I could not resist. So we went ahead and picked up the new Harley Davidson step-up seat, the gripper with the red. Looks fantastic. I've got my buddy Dan here in front of me who ended up meeting up with me there to take it with me because I don't have room in my saddlebags for it. So I'm on my way to his house and we will impromptu film throwing the new seat on my bike, and we'll check in with you guys. What's going on, you guys? In today's video, we're going to be going over pulling off the bags, putting on the docking hardware, the 4-point hardware, and we have a surprise. Like I said, I did not expect to pick this up while I was at the Harley Davidson dealership today, but I saw it on the shelf. I had been eyeing it online. I'm really excited to put it on, see how it looks. It's a lot leaner. It's a lot more narrow than the factory one. It's nice and squared off on the top, so it's going to make the whole bike look a lot lighter and just flow a lot better. The red stitching looks really good. It's got really good grippy material on the top compared to the factory one. It feels like it's going to be pretty sturdy. I'll obviously give you guys a ride review on it, but we're going to get into slapping this on, throwing the tour pack stuff on, and then the rest of the stuff is on order. It'll take a week to get here, but I don't know if I'll two-part this video for you guys or if I'll just wait and put everything together all at once, but let's get into it. All right, so pulling this seat off, it's just one T27 right here, and then it'll be pulling off this strap. Quick and easy. You guys can also swap these out with those little thumbnail ones that you can just spin, but yeah. So then pop up one side of your bag. We'll do this side so I can show you guys on camera. And then you can get in here to this other T27, loosen that up. And the strap slides right out the way. Now you can just lift up, slide back, and our stock seat is off. Put that off to the side here. And we're gonna have to pull the other side of this strap to get it out of the way to put the new seat on, because we will not be using this strap with the new seat. Crazy how dirty it gets under here so quickly. Alright, so we won't be needing one of those. So we'll try slapping this new seat on, see what it looks like. I'm hoping that I'll be able to remove this hardware that was for that strap since I won't need it. And kind of just clean it up. Looks like one bolt here and then probably back on the other side of the frame there, which might be difficult, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know. So it slips in right here on that hook and then just bolts on right there. Oof. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, that looks really good. Right off the bat, looks way lighter, skinnier, more streamlined, sleek. Just got it hooked in front. Down all the way. we are done with that. All right, so to install the docking hardware, we're gonna have to remove the bags because we're getting into these bolts here. So just pop your bag open and unscrew these guys. Keep a leg on it here so that it doesn't fall. Pop your hardware out. Close up your bag lid so that when you lift, you don't have anything weird happen. And you just pull out and lift away. Do it one more time. All right, so we have the new Harley Davidson docking gear here. I honestly wanted to go with some Amazon stuff for $40 rather than some $175 docking gear, but the Amazon paint job on it is like a matte black finish. It's terrible, and since you will see this on the bike, I decided to spend the money so that you do have a good clean look versus, you know, yikes, matte black with this gloss black. I just couldn't go cheap on something visual that stands out that much. So for the next step, we're gonna go ahead and pull these rubber caps out to expose where our docking hardware is gonna go. Slide those out, put them aside, save them if you don't want to run your docking hardware. From here, it's just going to slide right on in. And then your docking hardware will be here, and it'll be clean out of the way. So I'll show you guys the next step here in a minute. So we don't need this leather strap mount anymore. Now that we have a narrower seat, this really sticks out, and we're just not going to need it. So go ahead and remove it. It is a 3/8, just a single bolt, and then it's got a pin on the other side. We'll just unscrew it. And it's out of the way. Save it for later in case anybody ever wants to go back to stock with this bike in 10 years, but not me. All right, so we've got our mounting our docking hardware there. Here are our bolts for the docking hardware to the bike, and then these will go on these posts. We'll get into all that, but first we're gonna go ahead and throw some Loctite on these docking bolts because we will not be taking them on and off. I'm gonna end up using a removable quick release sissy bar for the passenger, and that will quick release off the bike, but there's no need for this hardware too. So this just slips right in here like this. Go ahead and bolt started. Same thing with the front one here. We'll grab our T45 torque bit. Send these home. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put our actual docking hardware on that the whatever you're clipping it to mounts to. Goes this way where you've got the thicker side in, and so a little Torx bolt there. I'm not gonna Loctite these because my sissy bar and stuff won't be here until next week, and I don't know if I'm gonna need to add a washer or something like that that comes in the kit for a spacer. So then go ahead and do the same thing here. Boom, boom. This front one, as you can see, uses a spacer here, but the kit comes with 4 more washers that you can add to space these out according to whatever you're going to mount to it. But we're just going to go with this for now, and then once the new stuff arrives, if I need to adjust it in or out, then I can swap it out with some washers. So yeah. right, you guys, so we have the new Harley Davidson docking hardware and the Harley Davidson gripper step-up seat installed. It looks extremely good, super mean. I sat on the bike right away. You can tell that it's a little bit more narrow, but it's got a lot of support, a lot of back lumbar support. So I'm gonna hit the road and let you guys know what I think, how it feels, and report back. All right, you guys, we're back here in the garage, and we've got the gripper seat on that we installed at Dan's. It's been a few days now since I put it on, and I've already clocked over 500 miles on this seat. And so I feel like I can give you guys a decent idea of what to expect out of it. In my honest opinion, it is a great around town seat. It's a great commuting to work seat. Beyond that, you're gonna wanna switch it out for your stock seat. I know that it's gonna take a little bit of time to break it in, but it's extremely stiff. It hurts my lower back after a little over an hour on I-5, crappy freeways, etc. And I put my girlfriend on the back over the weekend, and we went for about an hour and a half ride to the Seattle area, went and had some lunch there, and she could not wait to get off the bike. Now I do have the 4-point docking hardware. I'm still waiting on the sissy bar to show up. Hopefully that helps a bit, but she never complained about the stock seat sitting on the back for about an hour. She even told me at one point that my sport bike is more comfortable to ride on the back of, and that was obviously not something that you really would ever expect a woman to say about riding on the back of a Harley Davidson versus a sport bike on a little pillion seat. So, do what you will with that information. I love the seat. I'm keeping the seat. It looks stellar. It fits my needs for around town and everything like that, but I will absolutely swap this thing out for the stalker when I go on longer trips. Beyond that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was just a quick one, really impromptu. Like I said, I had no plans of buying the seat, so this is kind of just like a scattered spur of the moment. Make a video out of it because I want to share everything that I do with this bike with you guys, and obviously these seats just came out from Harley Davidson. It's great information to just put out into the universe for you guys, so I hope this video was helpful. If you guys are considering doing this seat, please like and subscribe, comment, do the thing. I appreciate all of you so much. See you in the next one.